Olive oil, often called nature's liquid gold, isn't just a kitchen essential. It's a symbol of heritage, tradition, and flavor. Whether it's used to drizzle over a fresh salad or bring life to a classic pasta dish, olive oil plays a major role in cuisines all over the world. But how is this golden oil actually made? Stay with us till the end of the video to discover some surprising fun facts about olive oil that most people don't know. Trust me, you'll never look at your olive oil bottle the same way again. It all begins in the olive groves. Once the olives reach the perfect ripeness, neither too green nor too soft, they're carefully harvested. Depending on the region and farm, this can be done by hand or with the help of machines that shake the branches to make the olives fall gently into nets. Timing here is everything because overripe or damaged olives can affect the quality of the oil. Immediately after harvesting, the olives are transported to the factory. This step is crucial. The fresher the olives, the better the oil. Once they arrive at the processing plant, the olives go through a cleaning phase. They're loaded into a machine that continuously sprays water over them, washing away dust, leaves, stems, and any other debris. This ensures that nothing unwanted affects the purity of the oil. Once clean, the olives, pits and all, are crushed into a thick paste using steel rollers or hammer mills. This is where the term cold pressed comes in. No heat is applied during this process, which helps preserve the oil's natural flavor, aroma, and nutrients. Next comes a step called malaxation. This is where the olive paste is slowly churned or mixed. Doing this allows tiny droplets of oil to merge together into larger ones. It's a slow and careful process, usually done at low temperatures, and it's key to getting the most oil out without damaging its quality. Before we continue, guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Here on the Making Hub, we take you behind the scenes to show how everyday things are made, from food to tools to products you use daily. So if you're curious about the process behind the things you love, this is the place for you. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. Let's dive back into the video, shall we? After malaxation, it's time to extract the oil. Traditionally, this was done using large mats made from natural fibers, like straw or coconut husk. The olive paste was spread across these mats and then pressed. The pressure would push the oil and water out, leaving behind a solid byproduct known as pomace. Today, many factories use centrifuges instead, which spin the paste at high speeds to separate the oil from everything else much faster and more efficiently. Once extracted, the oil is tested for its flavor, aroma, and chemical makeup. Samples are carefully examined to make sure the oil meets quality standards. Only the best batches earn the label, extra virgin olive oil, which is the highest grade with the lowest acidity and best taste. Finally, the oil is filtered to remove any remaining solids and bottled. At this stage, everything has to be done quickly and under controlled conditions. The bottles are usually dark in color to protect the oil from light, which can cause it to spoil faster. Once labeled and sealed, the bottles are packed and sent off to kitchens around the world. Now, like we promised, here are some fun facts about olive oil that might surprise you. First, did you know that olive oil doesn't just come in one flavor? Depending on the type of olive and when it's harvested, the oil can taste peppery, grassy, buttery, or even fruity. Also, olives are technically fruits. So yes, olive oil is a type of fruit juice. Another cool fact, the world's oldest olive tree is over 2,000 years old and still produces olives today. And finally, in ancient Greece, athletes used to rub olive oil on their bodies before competitions as a kind of natural performance enhancer and skin protector. So the next time you pour a little olive oil into your pan or salad bowl, remember, you're not just cooking, you're tapping into centuries of history, culture, and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning how olive oil is made, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the food you love.